welcome to a Mix How-To video. We're here in the glorious weather of Stowmarket. My name's Ryan.
I'm Tyler.
And what are we doing today, Tyler?
General bike maintenance.
Excellent. We have a bike and, oh no, we seem to have run over a tyre. A tyre? We have run over a nail. So we need to do a what?
Puncture repair.
Excellent. So what's the first job we need to do, Tyler? Or what are the things that we need, Tyler?
A puncture repair kit.
What else do we need, Tyler?
A bucket of water.
Ding! So we have the water, we have the puncture repair kit. What now?
We need to remove the wheel.
Remove the wheel. Tip number 1, lefty loosey, righty tighty.
Just loosening the quick release hatch thing.
But not all bikes will have that, obviously. Some will just have nuts, which you can use a spanner. Oh, was that in the puncture repair kit?
Yes, it was.
How much did that puncture repair kit cost you?
£1.
And it comes with a spanner.
Yes, it does.
Unbelievable value. Right, what's next?
We're going to take the chain off, because that is necessary.
I think the problem is the brakes, Tyler.
Oh yes, you can use Allen keys for these, which also come in with a puncture repair kit.
For £1.
That's too big.
Due to some clever editing, you've not seen us struggling with this brake for the last 25 minutes. At this point, you might need to use some oil or something just to lubricate the situation. Let's see if we can get it a bit loose.
The brakes are now off, which means the wheel should just come off like so.
Excellent.
What we're now going to do is take the tyre off the wheel to get the inner tube out and put it through the bucket of water to find where the issue is.
So what's the water going to do?
The water, with the air in it, as you feed it through, you can actually see little bubbles of where the puncture is. So what we're going to do is we're going to release the air from this until it's mostly empty. Then we're going to use these handy tools that come with the puncture repair kit, which is £1.
£1!
What you do is you slide it underneath the actual tyre. So you have one like so, just underneath the actual tyre. Then you use the second one, which also comes with it for £1. Once you've got one of these under, you can simply put this one in and run it right round the outside.
Oh, and look how neatly that loosens the tyre.
Yeah. Really, really easy thing to do, this. And then once you've got all the way round, take them both out. You can easily remove the inner tube from here. Voila.
Voila indeed.
Yeah. As it's still got some air left in it, you can just pop it in the bucket. When you've got your inner tube in your bucket, you want to feed it through until you hopefully see, oh, hello, we've found some bubbles.
You got the bubbles?
We can see the bubbles. We've found the bubbles, which means we now know where the puncture is. You go back to your puncture repair kit.
It cost you how much?
£1. This handy little crayon comes with it too. We know where it is.
Excellent, so you've marked the hole.
Once you've found your puncture, you want to use your puncture repair kit and get the glue. This glue is very strong, and you want to dab it over the puncture, not too much. And then, you want to use these that also come with the puncture repair kit, which are the little patches that you pop on. So once you've got this on it, it's probably easier if you deflate the inner tube. And once you've got to that, you can just pop it down on the floor and leave it there to dry for a bit.
We've returned and the glue is dry. What's next, Tyler?
So we're just going to double check, run it through the water again, and if any bubbles come out, then we've done it wrong. But if not, then
no pressure.
Should be correct.
No pressure. Hey!
I don't see any bubbles, that's good.
Excellent.
Now to do this, the easiest thing to do is to find the hole, which is...
Which hole? The valve hole?
The valve hole.
And then is it just a case of tucking the tube back into the tyre and into the rim?
You're correct. And now you want to use your handy tools again, and then you want to put the tyre back inside. When you've got your inner tube in, you want to tuck in the easy bits of the tyre on the inside of the rim, all the way around until it gets to the part where you can't do it. And then once you've got to that stage, you want to use your handy tools again, and then you want to swipe it round. Once you've got your tyre back on the rim, it's time to pump it up. So I've just pumped this tyre all up by myself, nice and easy. Now what we're going to do is going to pop it back on the bike.
And this is just the exact reverse of what we did earlier. We need to do the brake. Where'd Alan's key go?
That is as simple as securing it back where she was.
So now we've got the brakes all done up and the chain's definitely on the chain thing. We want to tighten this up again and then you want to put your dust cap on. Done.
There she is. Well, thank you very much, Tyler.
You're welcome.
Wonderful.
Thank you for my glamorous assistant, Ryan.
You're welcome. So that's been another how-to video. Please join us next time for young people sharing their skills.